Holly jolly, holly holly jolly, whoa. Holly jolly, holly holly jolly, whoa. Holly jolly, holly holly jolly, whoa. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Well, there were four of us. Me and Ryan and Jim and Zach actually were out one night, and we came up with the idea of like, oh, you guys, you know what we need? Like, we just need like a really cool guys a cappella group, like for Penn State. I think that'd just be awesome. And you know, so we talked about it and thought that would be cool. And we came back like the next day and checked back in. And we're like, are we serious about this? And we were like, yeah, like why not? So we kind of called people, went out and talked to some people, and the next weekend we had 12 guys in a rehearsal room, and we were kind of born right there. Normally, the group practices twice a week for about 2 hours, but we are now preparing for a concert that is next Tuesday, so we have rehearsal every day this week for 2 hours. Like I mentioned, we have our concert December 6th that we are currently preparing for, but beyond that, we are participating in something called the ICCAs, which are the Intercollegiate Championships of a cappella. And we have a quarterfinal that's being held here at Penn State February 25th, I believe. And if we do well at that, we might go to the semifinal at Rutgers University. And if somehow we're still in it, we would end up in New York at the Lincoln Center for the finals. So that's what we're aiming for right now. We got a lot of songs still left to learn. We're hoping to get about 13 or 14 songs learned by then. We're performing in Eisenhower Chapel, so we aren't planning on using any mics. So we're hoping that we can fit, you know, that we'll be able to fill up the concert hall, hopefully, because it is pretty small. We've been working on is a Holly Jolly Christmas and Silent Night, but those are just the Christmas sections of the song. We also, our favorite is probably Hail to the Lion, the Penn State classic that we have a little JOEPA twist on. When we formed in September, we called ourselves the JOEPAs, and we are currently pretty hotly debating what to do about that right now. We got some supporters for both sides. We went home over Thanksgiving break and talked to a lot of people to see what the outside world kind of was thinking. So that's still in question. But for this concert anyway, that is coming up next Tuesday, we're going to be the JOEPAs, and then we'll figure out after that if we need to change things.
Say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh.